PL is coming out, so it is in motion, right? We have to then go to the motion, move axis, because it is